Have you ever stopped to think about the impact a healthy smile has on your life? It's not just about appearance, but also about well-being and self-confidence. Now, imagine if you could keep your smile bright and fresh with a simple adjustment in your routine. Sounds good, right? And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Many people believe that brushing your teeth twice a day is enough to maintain oral health. The truth is, it goes a little beyond that. The American Dental Association recommends not only brushing but also flossing, reducing sugary food intake, and having regular dentist visits. It's the little details that make all the difference. This is where Dentitox Pro comes in. It didn't come to replace brushing, but to be the perfect complement. A simple supplement that can easily be added to your routine, promoting stronger teeth, healthy gums, and of course, that fresh breath everyone loves. And believe me, simplicity is key. When our oral care routine becomes easy to follow, the chances of maintaining consistency increase. This applies to any habit, whether it's in nutrition or dental care. A practical example. How about starting to use Dentitox Pro right after brushing and flossing your teeth? It will be quick, without major changes, but it will make a big difference in the long run. Now, when talking about habits, it's always important to remember that oral health goes beyond just products. Drinking water, eating a balanced diet, avoiding excessive sweets, and staying hydrated are key to maintaining a healthy and fresh smile. And Dentitox Pro, with its vitamins and natural ingredients, will reinforce all of this without any complications. So, how about integrating Dentitox Pro into your routine and taking that extra step toward maintaining your oral health? Leave a comment below about what you already do to keep your smile healthy. And feel free to share your experience with Dentitox Pro if you've already started using it. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Let's learn together how to live healthier and more practically in our everyday life. See you in the next video. Comment below what you think about incorporating Dentitox Pro into your routine, and share it with someone who needs a healthier smile.